morning, Rax. Today is Tuesday, June 16th, and today is World Snake Day. Snake. Haven't heard that in a while. Today is the final official day of classes, if classes were still in actual session, and that means today is the last day of morning announcements. So this is going to be a special one. 3 big things to go over. You might have seen some pictures out there. There's more available of seniors that had their Adopt a Senior program and the benefits of it, with big fun bags of goodies and balloons and toys and flowers and snacks. Hopefully they all enjoyed them in preparation for graduation. As we know, this is the last week of classes, and most of the work has got to be done by the end of this week. I know in phys ed, got to have it done by Saturday. Not accepting it after that. Most teachers may have even it closed down before that point. If you have a question, send an email. Teachers will be quite responsive. And don't forget about signing up for locker clean out. Some of you are still asking about that. Contact Martina. He's the one to set up with that information. I got to send out, I don't know if we're doing an awards thing or something, but hey, I'm in charge of the morning announcements. I've done like 66 morning announcements over the last few weeks. So shout out to all my PE Zoom workout all-stars, the ones that have already earned 100 or are right there for this fourth quarter. Shania, Saul, Broderick, Jahira, Maram, Shabby, Sarahi, Perry, Desi, and Tasani. Awesome job by a bunch of people, but they have been rock solid. So
congratulations.
Exactly. If we were to give a single award for the MVP, it is the rock star Maram.
Oh, yeah.
With an amazing amount of workouts so far here in this fourth quarter. No birthdays today, but we got a couple birthdays coming up this week. So shout out to Chris Harris, the senior, and my man Sincere. Happy birthday to both of you on Thursday. And that's pretty much it for morning announcements for this year. But we'll be back in September, hopefully in person. And without my face, you'll just hear the audio. And I'll see many of you at graduation. Seniors, I'll see you there. And many of you are not going to be able to attend because there are a limited amount of people that are unable to go. But it will be streamed online. And I'll bring this button box and we'll get all that stuff going. We'll have a good time with it. So until then, have a good day and a good summer, Rax.